भक्तों को दर्शन दे गई रे एक छोटी सी कन्या भक्तों को दर्शन दे गई रे एक छोटी सी कन्या भक्तों को दर्शन छोटी सी कन्या की छोटी सी कन्या छोटी सी कन्या भक्तों को दर्शन दे गई
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have something extra special for you guys and something very near and dear to me. It's going to be one of those family style videos like I've posted in the past, and I know you guys are going to love it. Now, last week, I was in New York spending some time with my family, and while I was there, I had my first Jhandi, or my first Hindu prayer service. Now, for me, having a Jhandi has been something that's been my heart's desire for a little while now, and last week, I was humbled and I was so at peace with being able to complete it and being able to spend so much time with my family and learn more from the process. Now, I want to give a big shout out to my two grandmothers. Now, my dad's mom and my mom's mom, they were there for most of the weekend helping, and throughout the week giving me advice, helping me with all of the food prep and that kind of stuff. And of course, Aunty Jean, I love you so much. Thank you for coming over and helping Grammy cook all of the food the morning of. That was such a big help, and you guys, the food was off the hook. You guys are going to see some clips of the food throughout the video. And of course, I have to give a big shout out to Aunty Chitra and Aunty Chandra. These two ladies right here, they are so knowledgeable on the topic of different prayer services, and I knew throughout the weekend I was going to need them to help me be guided throughout the process and to learn a little more and know what I needed to do for the weekend. And they really did more than they had to do, and I'm so happy that I have aunts like these because they really helped me a lot. So Aunty Chitra and Chandra, I thank you so much. I love you guys. And of course, my mom, my dad, Aunty D, Aunty Kanita, and Amanda, you guys are amazing. Thank you guys for being there during the week as well, or sending support, or just helping out in any way possible. Because whenever you do something like this, it takes a lot of effort, it takes a good amount of time, and trust me, it was all worth it in the end. Everything fell into place and it was amazing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Of course, like with any of my videos, gotta give it a nice big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed yet. And of course, leave your comments down below. The day before the Jhandi, we made sure to get all of our different ingredients that we'd be using in one place, so this way the next day when we started to cook, there would be no confusion and we could find everything. Judging from my stockpile, you guys will probably see that I love to use the Bidesi products. All of these can be bought on buyeasy.com, so make sure you check them out. I'll have that in the description box down below.
Yeah, brand new.
Oh.
Look, it was in the bags.
Oh, wow. What's a chopped one? That's why.
Yeah. I chop clean it. I mean,
It chops it, yeah. True.
Circumstances. Put it out, grind them.
Grind.
So you gotta pat some more. Alright. When this done, you can
Now Grammy has started to make the gurma, and if you guys want to see how to make this delicious dish using her recipe, check it out on my channel. I'll have it linked right up here.
bring them on. Smells so good. It has to be in the back of one of these doors.
So I'm gonna check again.
Let me see how to cook out this steady. You're standing, it looks like a cube coming out.
Please, if I wait for everybody to quiet your food, we'll never get cooked.
Yeah, I heard somebody say, I want to see it though.
Yeah. But then as I step back and look at it,
the same,
no, it's not glasses.
like jars. I'm...
Watch this procession here. Crunchy mithai and regular mithai. Say hi, everyone.
Hi. Maggie's favorite auntie. Hi. Maggie's favorite auntie. Aunty Chitra. Aunty Chandra. Don't forget Aunty Chitra.
They don't even know what they're talking about.
But it's Aunty Chandra. It's me.
Say hi, girl.
I got it in it.
So the laptop. Now that
Look, Anita, there's more green bowls over there. You want to grab it?
You can't taste it, right?
Yeah, but let's keep the trays.
Should have made it back for ourselves.
These are washed, right?
Get that in it. Chit? You're making Puri.
I'm not going to tell you. I need more flour.
Ace up with the floor.
Matthew trying to open up the can of ghee for the past 5 minutes. Yes, Chit?
Oh, because it was cold and then it's trying to solidify again. That's fine.
Oh, she talking about the ghee. Why it's like that?
At least take the spoon out of it.
Well, you're the winner, Look, Chandra, look, he's the
You get it on the phone.
Can I? No?
Yeah, you can.
Oh. Yeah.
And
Okay,
the old
yes, you can put-
ladies. Miss Simon.
I'm an intern.
She claims she's an intern, but she's an old lady. Like,
Intern. Aunty Chitra. Come here, old lady. Me know what my door at least.
I know, right?
Aunty Chitra, Aunty Chandra, what are you guys doing?
Really? Aunty Chitra fan was Puri. Thanks.
When we go to get your father.
Exactly. I made these mithai.
She lied. I made them all.
Aunty Chandra make this kurma din.
No, she didn't. I made them.
I'm coming.
Egg.
No, stop.
Dos. Three. Char. Okay, 5. Aunty Chitra. Your backside. 11.
12.
That's 12.
See, look, she might come.
Matthew finishing up his mithai.
Look for a synonym for executing.
But I looked like I was doing nothing just now.
You weren't doing anything.
As usual, right, Matthew?
I just finished cutting up all the camphor and doing all this pretty work here. You know. Trying to help out with the
Custom
thank you
made
notes.
parsad bags.
Let's see. Thank you. I don't like you too. Stop it. That's not nice, Matthew.
I had to show you guys some pictures of the malas that Aunty Chitra and Chandra helped me make for the puja the next day. They looked awesome. So the next few clips that you're going to see are the day of the Jhandi. So we started off by cooking the rice and the dal. This way these two things could be done and they were out of the way, and we could start cooking the rest of the food.
It's nice too. It doesn't have too much of that. You know, some pots have so much powder in it.
Yeah.
And this is good.
Once we put our chunks to soak, the dal was basically done, so we started to prepare the mixture to chunky the dal to give it a really nice flavor. So in our oil, we've got some jeera, we've got some garlic, and then we're going to add that into our dal.
Exactly when they said.
7 o'clock, I guess.
Here are all of our prepped veggies and the items that we were going to use to start cooking. So you see the soaked chunks, you see the chopped pumpkin, we have our katahar defrosting. Guys, if you're in a pinch, go ahead and buy that frozen, already cut katahar. And of course we have our frozen spinach.
Sorry, don't cook her almost done already. Only aloo left. And I will make a parsad.
You can cook the parsad out here if you want.
Yeah.
Up there. Grammy, say hi.
No, we're on YouTube.
Watch your hand, Grammy.
In these clips, you're going to see that we were preparing the sweet rice or the kheer to be served with puri. We had it boiling with the cinnamon sticks and the water, and once it came together, we added all of our milks. It was so rich, so creamy, and so delicious, guys. Here's Auntie Jean mixing some of her famous bara. Guys, it was crispy on the outside, hot and fluffy on the inside, and the taste was just perfect.
Watch everybody and be like, are you not done yet?
I have one question for you guys. Are you all drooling yet, or is it just me? This bara looks so delicious. Here you're seeing Aunty Chitra mix up some rot. Now, in my opinion, she makes the best rot. I'm really sorry to burst you guys' bubbles, but Aunty Chitra's rot has the perfect texture, the perfect taste. It's good stuff, guys. So she mixed it up there, she added some raisins, and then she's frying now, and they'll be ready to serve.
You could cut off the silvis and dry up.
I'm at your turn now.
Oh, Grammy, this is perfect.
Before I get into some clips of the actual Jhandi, I wanted to show you guys what we served. Now, as for the carbs or the things to eat with the foods, we made some puri, we ordered some dal puri, and we had rice. And as far as the 7 curries go, I have some aloo curry or potato curry, we have katahar, we also have some fried chana, some bhaji cooked down with coconut milk, that was so good. We also have some soy chunks that were bunjal and cooked dry. We have some pumpkin, and we have dal and the rice. We have some bara. My dad's mom made some pulori, and we have some achar to top it off.
So I wanted to show you guys what we put in the parsad bags and what types of sweets we made. I'm going to pull out this little bag of sweets for you guys to see. And this is what we had in our bag. So, of course, at the bottom you have your regular parsad or mambog. And then this is the pandri on the bottom. And that's just like the ground rice, the anise seeds, and some sugar. And then on top here, we have some pera. And that's just milk and sugar boiled down. We have laddu. And this recipe is thanks to my friend Navin over at Trini Indian Kitchen. Navin, your laddu came out amazing. And of course, in any Guyanese household, you have to have your mithai. And I made the one with different colors on it. We have a few pieces in there. And then we also made the crunchy version of the mithai. And that one was really good. And then of course, we have our rot. We have another piece inside there. But that's basically everything we made. Everybody said this is one of the best parsad bags they've ever had. And I was pretty happy to hear that because everybody really enjoyed it.
कभी धूप कभी छाया है एक दिन उसे जाना है उसको गले से लगाते चलो प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो प्रसाद तेरा क्या है प्रसाद तेरा क्या है प्रसाद तेरा क्या है भक्तों ने पूछा प्रसाद तेरा क्या है जब कभी